In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install extension on Google Chrome, updated vertical bar. Add extension on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can search without any issues. If Chrome is not already installed on your device, you will need to install it first. But if you are already using Chrome, you are ready to continue. Next, go to the search bar and search for Google Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed. Using the official Chrome Web Store is important because it helps you find extensions that are made for Google Chrome and are easier to review before installing. Once the search results appear, open the Google Web Store page. After that, use the search bar inside the Web Store to look for the extension you want. For example, if you want a VPN extension, simply type VPN into the store search bar. You can use the same method for any other type of extension as well. Search for the tool by name or by the type of feature you need. When the results appear, take a moment to look through the available options. It is a good idea to choose carefully and make sure the extension matches what you are looking for. You can usually identify the right option by its name, category, and overall presentation in the store. Once you find the extension you want, open its listing and review it before adding it to Chrome. This gives you a better understanding of what the extension does and whether it is the right fit for your needs. Then continue with the install option to add it to your browser. That covers everything you need to know.